Hi, I'm Harsha Chelaram from YAMA Foundation, and welcome to Accessible Audio Yoga. Episode 7 is Chair Yoga. This sequence is designed for those with limited mobility or those who have any aches and pains. Please make sure that you have a chair that is sturdy and doesn't wobble easily. Ideally, you do not want a chair with armrests. Begin seated in the chair comfortably without slouching or leaning back. If you need, place a cushion behind your back so the spine is nice and tall. Shifting forward also allows your feet to remain flat on the floor, which helps with the balance in the chair. Shoulder rotations. Place the fingertips on the shoulders. Bring the elbows up, out to the sides, down and together, making a large circle. Continue the rotations, moving the elbows up, out, down, and together. Up, out, down, and together. Now change directions, bringing the elbows down, out to the sides, all the way up, and close together. Repeating 2 more times. Elbows down, out, up, and together. Down, out, up, and together. Release the arms down to your lap and relax. Seated leg lifts and ankle stretches. Take hold of the chair underneath the seat and extend the right leg forward with the heel pressing forwards and hold here. Point and flex the right foot 3 times. When you have finished, lower the right leg down. Now extend the left leg forwards, pressing the heel out and hold here. Now point and flex the left foot 3 times. Lower the left leg down, release, and relax. Seated side stretch. Sit forwards on the chair so that the feet are flat on the floor. Make sure you are stable on the chair. Raise the left arm up overhead, bringing it alongside the ear. And hold the chair with the right hand, steadying yourself and the chair. Carefully bend to the right side, giving the whole body a side stretch. To release, shift the body back to center and lower the left arm down. We'll repeat that on the other side. So now raise the right arm up overhead, bringing it alongside the right ear. Hold the chair with the left hand, keeping yourself and the chair steady. Carefully bend to the left and hold as long as is comfortable and the breath is flowing. To release, lift the body back to the center and lower the arm down. Place the hands on the lap and relax. Seated knee to chest. Take hold of the back of the right thigh and pull the knee up towards the chest. If comfortable, round the spine and lower the forehead to the right knee and hold for a moment. Lift the head and slowly release the leg down. Now take hold of the back of the left thigh and pull the left knee up towards the chest. Lower the head down to the knee if your body allows it. Hold and breathe. Lift the head, release the leg down, relax the arms and the whole body. Seated Cobra. Make sure the feet are flat on the floor. Place the palms on top of the thighs and bend forward all the way so you can feel your tummy or your chest on your hands. To come into the Cobra, lengthen the spine and look forwards and upwards, keeping the tummy or chest in contact with the palms. Hold for a few breaths and then release the head down. Slowly sit up and relax. Seated twist. Swing the legs round to the right side, so now you're sitting sideways on the chair. Take hold of the back of the chair with both hands, and then twist to the right side, looking behind you. Enjoy the stretch and hold for a few breaths. Gently unwind the body and relax. Now swing the legs all the way to the left side of the chair, so now you're sitting sideways on the other side. Take hold of the back of the chair with both hands, and now twist to the left, looking behind you. Breathe easy and hold the pose. Gently release and relax. Return to the center of the chair and bring the palms together in front of the heart. Thank yourself for making time for your well-being. This concludes episode 7. Om Shanti. Peace to all, and thank you.